So this is the NEC PC8801a. That's the computer over there. I think it's got the keyboard in there. Hopefully it's got the cables. The dot matrix printer. That's the floppy disk unit in this box. And the old green screen monitor in this one. I'm going to set it up, see if it runs. It still has all the original packing stuff in there. Cables by the look of it. There's a floppy drive. I see it has the original dummy disk drive thingies in there. Put those in for shipping. I do feel a little dusty. I'm going to blow the dust off. Okay, I've got the monitor out of the box. These are some of the books that came with it. Multi-plan, WordStar, CPM. And I actually did some Nbasic programming. A couple of games, I think. Maybe one game, and I tried a CAD program. The printer box has a few more little surprises in it. User's guide, disk drive pamphlet, I think there's a command card. That might help. There's the line printer in here. There's a power cable. I don't have any fan fold paper anymore. I think that's all gone. I do have a cartridge somewhere, spare one, maybe two. I think I've got everything connected properly. The printer is down there. Weighs a ton, that thing. Must be a lead brick in the bottom. So power is on, but everything is switchable, so it's all turned off right now, and I'm going to turn stuff on one at a time. So first of all, the monitor. Probably need to warm up or something. Then I'll turn on the computer. Wow, the computer seems to come up. Okay, we'll do a little. Interesting. I don't remember there being a screensaver. Alright, so step one is to push the. This is the CPM system disk. Push that in. Turn it down. It engages. Doesn't do anything over here yet. I'm going to hit the reset button. How's that for a fast booting computer? Eat your heart out, Windows. Ooh, A drive. Finally, I remembered the commands. Is it list or directory A? Oh, F1, right? No, list. Oh. Help. Oh. I'm going to have to relearn how to use this computer. Sad, huh? Oh, I've got it up. There appears to be some files on there. Okay, this is it running multi-plan, which is an 81 Microsoft thing. It takes quite a long time to load that. Almost 2 minutes, I think. Those were the days. Disk drive seems to be okay. This disk drive seems to have a bit of a problem. If I put a disk in there, it doesn't click and engage properly. Probably just needs to be taken apart and looked at. But drive 1 is working. Monitor is a bit iffy, but everything else seems to be okay. Keyboard seems to work. Arrow keys. Oh, okay. Let's see what that's doing. Ooh, doesn't like that. Okay.